If you've decided to build your own PC, you will know how important it is to choose the correct components. While it is easy to become consumed by CPUs, GPUs, and motherboards, it is important to ensure that you choose a case to house them all. You do not need to spend a substantial amount of money on a PC case. However, it must be compatible with the other PC components and motherboard. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best budget PC cases under $100 you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Fantex N2 Evolve ITX. Big on features and small in size, the Enthoo Evolv ITX is a budget-oriented chassis that uses a metal exterior. The case introduces a new unique bracket solution for mounting a radiator on top and a multifunctional bracket for reservoir and SSD or HDD. What sets this PC case apart from others is its cooling capacity. It includes a 200mm premium fan and has support for up to 5 fans, ranging in size from 120mm to 200mm. You get an innovative liquid cooling mounting system with this PC case. The radiator brackets included offering an easy installation. There is a lot of flexibility too. What's great about this case is that you don't need to worry about messy cables. The hoop and loop cable ties allow for clean cable management. The price is $58. Number 4. Thermaltake Level 20 VT. Level 20 VT, as an embodiment of Thermaltake's cultural foundation, user-friendly consideration, and technology advancement, flagship model that coincides with Thermaltake's 20th anniversary. The Level 20 VT is designed to prove that micro cases don't have to be small on power. It boasts a 200mm fan pre-installed at the front, as well as great liquid cooling support, 4mm tempered glass panels, and interchangeable panels with filters. The VT also has a split-level design with a flat motherboard tray that lets you hide away cables while showing off liquid cooling hardware at the top. One panel is perfect for radiator mounting, thanks to the gapped mounting, which delivers additional airflow. Thermaltake's case is compact and supports mini ITX and micro ATX motherboards. You get a good range of ports with this PC case too. You get I/O ports, 4 USB ports, 2 at 3.0 and 2 at 2.0, and HD audio. These allow for speedy transmissions that will enhance your PC. The Level 20 VT takes Thermaltake's latest case innovations and wraps them in an ultra-modern, space-conscious style that's utterly unique in the case market today. The price is $99. Number 3. Fantex P300A Mesh. Small in size and big on features, the Fantex Eclipse P300A brings high airflow performance in a compact ATX chassis. Thanks to the ultra-fine performance mesh, performance is at its best while keeping dust from entering the system. With support for standard-sized hardware in a compact size, installation is intuitive and convenient. The Eclipse P300A delivers quality and high airflow performance with exceptional value. You get easy accessibility with this case, thanks to its I/O. You get great ports too, 2 USB ports, a microphone, and a headphone jack. There is also a power and reset button in an easy-to-reach location, allowing for seamless use of the case. The HDD trays are front-loading, making installation even easier. There are 4 SSD mounting locations and a separate PSU compartment too. The case features a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to see and showcase your PC's build. It's also handy for quick diagnostics on time. The price is $58. Number 2. NZXT H510 Flow. This compact mid-tower is an ideal case for high-performance builds and features a perforated front panel for maximized airflow. The H510 is easy to build in and offers flexibility for a variety of ATX parts. An optimized perforated front panel delivers increased airflow to your system for improved temperatures. The case features a tempered glass side, allowing you to see into the PC case. This features a single screw installation, making it super easy to set up. The PC case supports mini ITX, micro ATX, and ATX motherboards. What's great about this case is it contains new features compared to NZXT's previous model. The case features a front I/O USB-C port and the tempered glass side panel we looked at earlier. These features add a premium feel to the case without the price tag. There is also a removable bracket for radiators up to 240 mm, making the installation of either closed-loop or custom-loop water cooling easier. The price is $80 US. Number 1. Fantex Eclipse G360A. The Eclipse G360A builds on the exceptional value of the P360A chassis and sets the bar even higher with more fan locations and 360 radiator support to meet next-generation hardware cooling demand. The metal front panel features Fantex ultra-fine performance mesh design that combines high airflow performance with dust filtration all in one. With its high-performance design, the G360A is ready for powerful gaming setups, offering 360 radiator options on the top and front while having plenty of space for full-length GPUs, multiple HDD and SSD locations, and a vertical GPU mounting option. Like all Fantex lighting products, the integrated DRGB lighting is simple to control with pre-programmed lighting effects and requires no software. 3 digital RGB 120mm fans are pre-installed and a LED strip is integrated along the tempered glass panel. Motherboards support up to eATX motherboards. Despite some quirks in its design, the Eclipse G360A is a truly great case for gamers on a budget. The price tag starts around $100 US. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.